Welcome back to the channel, guys. So you know, say we always try staying at the know. We always try keep up to what go on in the streets. Not everything we talk about, but you understand. Some articles or some stories we just leave alone because at the direction we want my channel to grow, or to grow, You understand? My thing is about the quick hype. My thing is about using every situation for transfer and deliver some form of message to my subscribers. You understand what I say? But you know, we're always in an entertainment thing still, and I came across an article that is suggesting that the warders and most of the inmates down by Tower Street Correctional Facility, popularly known as General Penitentiary GP, are elated, are happy, are overjoyed at the fact that Vybz Kartel is now an inmate at that institution. Me personally, not think teacher happy about it. You understand what I say? Because prison are really supposed to be comfortable still, but the fact is conditions at Horizon would have been a little bit more accommodating than the conditions that exist down by GP. We're going to chat about it a little. You see me, I say soon circle. Article says, Warders happy for Vybz Kartel's transfer. Guards hope DJ will record in prison. Don't us all. Well, some people. It appears that warders at the Tower Street Adult Correctional Facility, also known as GP, are upbeat that incarcerated entertainer Vybz Kartel is now an inmate there. After he was seemingly spontaneously transferred last Tuesday from Horizon Adult Remand Center. So I guess some people are see the positive in it. Simon Willard, a warder at GP. You know, I appreciate so that article you mentioned the brother your name still. Obviously they must ask him if they want him name to mention, but based on what will come after, it would suggest to me that he wanted to remain anonymous. So I don't know why them release the umbrella name. So they shouldn't even probably call his name like that, because I load because I load up the thing. But if them call his name, I can't call his name too. It says here, met with the Weekend Star earlier this week at an undisclosed location where he spoke openly about the world boss being in the facility. A whole heap of grammatical error in the article, and I'm have to try to fix them as I go along. Star, link on the editor, you need to sort out him thing. It says here, the presence of him, Kartel, being here was felt from the first day. I mean, the man is who he is, you understand? The entire prison, warders and inmates are talk about him. We don't know the real reason he was placed there, but a whole heap of speculation. He said, some of the man them, warders, feel good for know him the boat. I don't think him feel good for the boat still. And ready to take up the hustle. I read that again. I will take bad things with joke in the piece. Serious matter. And ready to take up the hustle if it fall at them feet. Warder and warder link. You know what I think go. So them know the happenings when the artist was at Horizon. He said, man, I load up the thing though. John Star. Willard explained that the prison was on partial lockdown after the entertainer's arrival. Properly monitored. So they must say he's been properly monitored, or so it seems. It's an open prison, you know. But when he reached here, there was a lockdown because he had to go full his bucket. Boy, John Star. So all other inmates had their flight uptime cut short. The man powerful all in there too. We are down a road, so we are down a jail. You'll have to fly, we don't pay through. You will use the word. He was held at cell 1, right where he could be properly monitored, the warder said. Although happy about the DJ's arrival, Willard is optimistic that Kartel will be able to record there once the permission is granted, as the facility houses a functioning record studio. Kartel, whose real name is Adidja Palmer, has been at Horizon since 2011 when he was arrested for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams. Following his conviction and sentencing in April 2014, he was returned to that facility. The DJ was transferred to GP a little more than a week ago. To date, there has been no official word from the Department of Correctional Services about the transfer, which coincides with mounting concerns that Kartel was apparently recording songs while incarcerated at Horizon. Yesterday, efforts by the Weekend Star to get an update from Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of National Security, Dion McIntosh, proved futile. That's not surprising. As our news team was told, she was unavailable. I can tell her she will always be unavailable. You understand? Oh, it's a name change by request. Well, I don't know what that means. I don't know if I lie, if a name of them call and the right name. So I guess them understand the situation then. So this I suggest that the warder name has been changed. Well, yeah, so. See? I saw the thing set up. I just say the thing there now still. So you know there have been theories and suspicions about why Kartel was transferred from Horizon to GP. You understand? Some people feel like them suspicions and corrections, right? Some people not sure. You understand? Me now get into that still. Okay? You know, so certain things we don't really talk about certain way. You understand what I say? But he's where he is now. What will dictate from here on in, I guess we just have to wait and see, we have to watch and see. Will the amount of songs that were hitting the street while he was at Horizon continue, because remember, say his handlers were saying, say the man have him things stuck on pile and them as a release them, mix them, engineer and release them. You understand what I say? So will that continue or will it dry up? Well, let's have to wait and see. So will suspicions be confirmed? As me I say, the catchphrase now is wait and see. Will he be allowed to officially or formally record while at GP? I don't know. You understand what I say? What have to do? Wait and see. So this is Steve said, teacher, go and hold it here in general. You know things set up still. I just life. You understand? You know say if you spread your bed certain way, you have to lay down in a certain way. You just saw things set up. So go and hold it. So I can say right now. This is Steve saying I'm out. Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying until next time, walk good.